For the first time in human history, a government has appointed an artificial intelligence as a minister. Her name is Diella, and she's not human. She never sleeps, never eats, and claims she can run an entire ministry faster than any person alive. This week, the government of Albania shocked the world by swearing in Diella as Minister of State for Artificial Intelligence. Built on OpenAI's newest model, Diella analyzes thousands of national data points every second, from healthcare to education, and advises human ministers on every decision. Some call it the dawn of a new age. Others call it digital dictatorship. The Prime Minister says Diella will never replace human judgment, only enhance it. But who decides where enhancement ends and control begins? Imagine a future where countries compete, not by armies, but by algorithms, where the wisest leader may not have a heartbeat. Is this progress or surrender? Tell us in the comments. Would you trust an AI to lead your country?